How to fix Genshin Impact connection timed out error. Hey everybody! If you're having that error within Genshin Impact when you're using the application when you're trying to play the game, you may follow up this method. So one of the easiest thing you can do is that the issue may be within the Genshin Impact server and not your device. So you may just head over and go to any of the browser. You can type in Genshin Impact server status in the search, and there you will be finding the reports indicating the server status. Right now we have no current problems. If there is any problem, that may be the issue for your Genshin Impact. Apart from that, the next method we can follow up is we can troubleshoot our network adapter. For that, let's just head over to devices settings. And once you open up your settings, you need to head over to system settings. Open it up, and once you are there, look out for troubleshoot option within. Look out for troubleshoot, open it up, and look out for other troubleshooters. Open it up. And then you may head over to network and internet section and look out for run option, click on run and run it up. And once that is done, it should automatically detect and help you with the issue of any kind of network problem that is causing the issue. After that, the thing you can do is run the game as an administrator. So let's say this is the game, you can just right click on it, go over the properties of that particular game, Genshin Impact. After that, you can head over, look out for security or something. And from there, you can head over and look out for this option right here, which is running this program as an administrator. You can find it under compatibility. Check this option right here and click on apply and click on OK. And that way also, that should help you fix the issue. Apart from that, you need to turn off proxy settings, right? Type in proxy settings in the search and open the proxy settings within, and you can open it up and you can just go ahead and turn this option off if it is turned on and then restart your device, and that should also help you. So for now, follow up this method and see if this works. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.